Today, I'm going to show you how to post projects on Evotrux. What are projects? Projects allow you to post multiple identical shipments with one effort. For example, if you have 10 shipments going from your location to a job site, instead of posting 10 individual shipments on the platform, you can now post one project that includes 10 shipments. So let's do that. So you now have two options. You can either select single shipment or multi-shipment project. In this case, I've selected multi-shipment project and I've entered that I have 10 loads. The remainder of the information is the same as posting a single shipment. Fill in your shipment information, your route information, when the project can pick up and when you want it to complete delivery, whether it's public or private, which of your partners you want to notify, who on your team can access it, and whether you'd like emails or not, and then simply post your project. Now we've added a couple of different filters here. So if you go by shipment types, you can look at all, you can look at just single individual shipments that you've posted, or we can look at multi-shipment projects. So let's do that. So let's look at a project we have posted here that doesn't have any loads covered. And you can see 0 of 10 loads have been covered so far. So some of the big differences are when carriers submit quotes to you, they now identify the minimum and maximum number of loads that their quotes are good for. So each one will come in and show that information. When you go to assign shipments, which would be like booking a truck on a single shipment, you now indicate the number of shipments that you're going to give to this carrier. In this case, we'll say 5. You must be within the minimum and maximum amount of shipments that they've identified. When you select the amount, we tell you how many shipments you're going to assign to them, at what price, and the total cost to you, and then you can assign those shipments. So instead of booking one truck at a time, you can now say, I'll give all 10 loads to this carrier, I'll give 5 to this carrier, and 3 to this carrier, and 2 to this carrier. And let's go look at what that looks like on the project page. So now let's go look at a project that we have all the loads covered. So in this case, we've booked all 10 loads, and we can see now that all the shipments have their own ID that have been assigned. They have our reference number, and we can update this reference number. So if you wanted to communicate through chat about all 5 loads with this particular carrier, on one, you could maybe go in and change the name to main, and that allows you and the carrier to both know which one you want to communicate on, or you can add your PO numbers as you assign them, that kind of information. You can see which carrier has it, the contact there, your price, and so forth. And if you click on the shipment number, it will bring up that particular shipment with all the direct information. So if you've got project loads that go to job sites or contracted projects that go consistently to the same location, you can now create projects, save yourself a bunch of time, and move more loads through the platform. Thanks very much.